Well, hindi ko i-deny that what you're going to do, those who are invited today, you're going to sell the product. But I like to encourage more than that. Huwag ka lang mag-push ng produkto for yourself, but be partners of your clients for life. As they say po dito, kapag nag-close ka ng sale, that's the start of a relationship. I'll give you an example. Let's say, for example, ang unang kliyente mo is actually single at nagbenta ng life insurance. That's the first stage, being single. I'm sure mag-aasawa yan. That's the second stage. Pag may asawa na yan at anak, iba na po ang financial needs yan as opposed to financial needs of being single. So you're still there. And of course, kapag bumili na sariling bahay niya, mag-iiba rin ang financial needs niya. And maybe if they have future businesses that they're dreaming of, in every stage of their life, iba po ang produkto. So, ang intent is not just to be selling one product. It's becoming partners for life. Being there for your clients in every stage of their lifetime.